Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the Yapme Educations. So today I want to discuss the Cambridge International AS and A level Mathematics 9709/53 paper 5 Property and Statistics 1 May June 2020. Alright, so now we try looking at the question 1 first. Okay, let's see the question 1. Jones goes to the college each day by any one of the car or bus or walkings. The probability that he goes by the car is 0.2. The probability that he goes by the bus is 0.45. And the probability that he walks is 0.35. When the Jones goes by the car, the probability that he arrives early is 0.6. When he goes by bus, the probability arrive early is 0.1. When he walks, he always arrives early. Draw a fully labeled tree diagram to represent these informations. Alright, so now you need to draw the tree diagrams to represent correct probabilities. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is for car. Okay, car 0.2. Okay, bus 0.45. Okay, walking. Okay, 0.35. Okay, now you can labels here. Okay, if the car 0.6, you will be early. Drive early. 0.4, not early. Okay, for the bus, 0.1, early. For 0.9 is no early. If for walks, okay, 1 is for early. And then 0 is for no early. Okay, so alright, let's look at the next question, question B. Okay, find the probability that Jones goes to the college by a car given that he arrived early. Okay, so the question say given that, so I need to using the conditional probability. Okay, and then now I see, okay, he arrived early. Probability that Jones go to college by a car. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you can write here. Let C equals to Jones. Okay, Jones go to college by car. Okay, he drive early. Okay, so we can try to apply formula at here. So P C is E, right? Equals to C and E. And here is probability E. Okay, so let's see. So you can take the probability for the early parts. Okay, so let's start. So you can take 0.2 multiply 0.6 plus 0.45 multiply 0.1 plus 0.35 multiply 0.1. And then you can look here, C and E, right? It means early. So you take this part again. So you take 0.6 multiply 0.6 here. Okay, I draw the straight line first. Alright, so you will get the answer. Okay, 0.2 multiply 0.6. You will get 0.12 bracket 0.2 multiply 0.6 plus 0.45 multiply 0.1 plus 0.3. Actually, it's not 0.1 actually is 1. Okay, so 0.5 multiplies 1. Okay, 0.515. Okay, so we can try to simplify. Okay, you will get uh 24 over 103, or you also can write the answer in three significant figures. You can write 0.233. Okay, so that is answers for the questions 1. All right, so now let's look at the next question. Question 2. In a current large college, 22% of the students own a car. A. Three students from the college are chosen at random. Find the probability three students own a car. Okay, so equals to 3. So you can take 3C3, 0.22 power 3, 0.78. Okay, because we know the probability 0.22 and Q is 0.78. 0. And then we will get the answer here is 0.0106. Okay, so this is your answers for the 2A. All right, so now we can try looking at the 2Bs. Okay, 16 students from the college are chosen at random. Find the probability that the number of these students who owns a car is at least 2 and at most is 4. So you need to find the probability at least 2, right? And then maximum is until 4. So you should take x equals to 2 plus x equals to 3 plus x equals to 4. So now you can apply the formula here. We can write here 16C2 0.22 power 2 0.78 14 plus 16C3 0.22 power 3, okay, 0.7x 13 plus 16C4 0.22 power 4 0.78 12. Okay, so you can using your calculator to find it out. Okay, 0.17921 plus, okay, okay, 0.2358 plus, okay, 0.21622. Okay, and then we can try to sum the answer first. Okay, so you will get the answer is 0.631. Okay, so this is your answers for the question 2. Okay, now let's go into the question 3. In a current town, the time X hour for which people watch televisions in a week has a normal distribution with the mean 15.8 hours and standard deviations 4.2 hours. A. Find the probability randomly choose person from this town watch the televisions for less than 21 hours in a week. So, okay, it's less than 21 per week, right? So now we need to change to standard normals. So you can write here Z, okay, 21 minus 15.8 divided 4.2. Okay, so you will get P Z less than. Okay, so you can take 1.238. Okay, so now you can sketch the graph here. Okay, 1.238. Okay, it is less than, right? Yeah, you can directly to take out the probability here. Okay, because our table probability is more than 0.5. So you can just take it out. Alright, so let's start. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, you see it's a 1.2, 1.23. Okay, so 1.23 is, yeah, 0.8907. Okay, 1.37, and then the last is 8, right? So you can take 0.000015. So will be equals to 0.8907 plus 0.0015. Okay, so you will get the answer is 0.892. Make sure write your answer in 3 significant figures. Okay. Okay, let's go into the next question. Okay, B, find the values of the K such that the Px less than the values K equals to 0.75. Okay, so we can try to sketch the graphs here. And then now you see here, two informations here. Okay, this is more than 0.5, right? And this here is shows less. So the K should be put at first quadrant here. Okay, and here is 0.75. Okay, so you can take out the values of the K. Okay, wait, not actually value K is wait a minute, is a normal. Okay, so I take K minus 15.8 over 4.2. Okay, sorry, forget that. Okay, so now we try to find out the Z values. Okay, because it is 0.75, right? Okay, if you see in the tables, okay, let's say, okay, this is your Z values. Okay, the maximum can until, okay, take 0.7486. Okay, so you should be to take 14s, right? But you see the table is didn't have any 14s. You just can take 0.0013 on this. Okay, this is for probability. So, okay, 0.7486 plus 0.0013, 0.7499. Okay, because you can take from the tables, because we didn't have the numbers for the 14. So we just can take the 13s, okay? Because it's more nearest to the 0.75 here. Okay, so now you can see, okay, we can take the value for the Z is 0.6774. Okay, so you can write here K minus 15.4 15.8 over 4.2 equals to 0.674. K will be equals to plus 15.8. Okay, so you will get the answer is 18.6. Okay, so let's go into the next question. Let's see the next question. Okay, for a fair four-size spinner has angles numbered 1, 2, 2, 3. A fair three-side spinner has the engage number -2, -1, 1. Each spinner spins and the number on the edge on which it comes to rest is noted. The random variable x is the sum of the two numbers that have been noted. Okay. A draw out the probability distributions table for the x. Okay, let's see. You have negative 2, 1, 1, right? And here is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. So in here, I need to draw two tables first. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is a 1, 2, 2, 3, right? And here is negative 2, negative 1, 1. Okay, let's see. Negative 2 plus 1, you will get negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, negative 2 plus 2, 0. Negative 2 plus 2, 0. Negative 2 plus 3, you will get 1. Okay, negative 1 plus 2, 1. Negative 1 plus 2, 1. Negative 1 plus 3, you will get 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 3 plus 1, you will get 4. Okay, you need to draw this table first because we need to find, okay, what is the random variable for the sum of the two numbers have been noted. Okay, okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have values negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for random variable x. Okay, so now we need to draw the probability distributions. Okay, so you can write here, okay, x and px equals to x here. Okay, so you can labels negative 1, negative 1, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, and the last number 4 here. Okay, so now I try. And then you see, okay, n for the x total equals to 12, right? So, okay, let's see. How many negative one here? Okay, 1 over 12. 0, we have 3. 3 over 12. Okay, for the 1, we also have the 3 over 12. Okay, 2 over 12. Okay, for the 3 is 2, 12. And the 4, 1 over 12. Okay, so this is your answers here. Okay, so let's see going to the next question for the question B. Okay, find the variance. Okay, so we need to understand the formula again. E square x equals to expectations square. Okay, sorry, actually it's not this simple. Square. Okay, so let's start. Now we can try to find the expectations first. So we can take negative 1 plus multiply 1 over 12 plus, okay, 1 multiply 3 over 12 plus 2 multiply 2 over 12 plus 3 multiply 2 over 12 plus 4 multiply 1 over 12. Okay, so you can using your calculator to find out the values. Okay, so you will get the value is equals to 4 over 3 here. Okay, so now you can try to find out the values of the variance. Okay, so okay, negative 1 square multiply 1 over 12 plus 1 square multiply 3 over 12 plus 2 square multiply 2 over 12 plus 3 square multiply 2 over 12 plus 4 square multiply 1 over 12. Okay, minus 4 over 3 square. Okay, so let's start. Okay, negative 1 square multiply 1 over 12. Okay, you will get 1 over 12 plus 3 over 12 plus, okay, 4 multiply 2 over 12. Okay, 2 over 3 plus 9 multiply 2 over 12, 3 over 2 plus 16 multiply 1 over 12. So 4 over 3 minus, okay, square. So you can use the calculator. Okay, so you will get the answer here is 37 over 18. Or you also can write in decimal place 2.06. Okay, so this is your answers for the questions 4. Okay, let's see the question 5. A pair of the fair coin is thrown repeatedly until a pair of the tails is obtained. The random variable x is the denominator, the number of the throws required to obtain a pair of the tails. Okay, A, find the expected values of the x. So, okay, you see carefully for the questions. A pair of the fair coins. It means, okay, now we need to think things out. Probability, you need to get repeatedly. Okay, let's say probability, you need to get a tails, right? Is 1 over 2, right? If you want to get 2 times the t, right? So you should be to multiply 1 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 4 here. Okay, so I hope you can know about these informations here. So it's 1 over 4. So please don't take the values 1 over 2. Okay, so you should be to take 1 over 4. Okay, now we try thinking back. What is the expectations for this case? Okay, actually this case, I think you already see the keyword repeatedly because this is a geometry distributions. Okay, so we know geometry distributions, the formula is 1 over p. So you can take 1 over 4 equals to 4. Okay, so this is your answer equals to. Let's see the p. Find the probability that exactly 3 throws are required to obtain a pair of the tails. Okay, so it's equals to 3. Okay, now we know the probability, okay, for geometry distribution, x equals to n equals to p q n minus 1. Okay, for this formula, so you can apply here 1 over 4, 3 over 4 power 2. Okay, so you will get 9 over 64. Okay, or you also can write in decimal place 0.141. Okay, let's look at the C. Okay, find the probability that fewer than 6 throws are required to obtain a pair of the tails. Okay, it means less than 6, right? Okay, so we can apply the formulas here. When less than, right? So you can take 1 minus Q n. This for bit more than. Okay, so I hope you can understand. Sorry, okay, -1. Oh, okay. Sorry, actually it's not here. Okay. Equals. I forget to say this part. Okay. So you should be to change to x less than or equals to 5. Okay. So I can take 1 minus 3 over 4, 5. 1 minus 3 over 4, 5. So you will get the answer 0.763. Okay, so this is your answers. Okay, so now let's go into the next question. Okay, question D. Okay, on the different occasions, a pair of the fare cost returns 18 times. Okay, so actually you see samples, right? 18 times is a binomial lah. Okay, binomial. Okay, and then you see use an approximation to find the probability that a pair of the tails is orbitals more than 25. Okay, so it's more than 25. But why we need to using the approximation? This is because you see the sample too large. Okay, sample too large. So we need doing the approximations here. Okay, so now, okay, how we need to doing know how to approximately. Okay, let's thinking up. Okay, so we need to apply, okay, the normal distribution approximation to binomial distribution with continuity corrections. Okay, so let's start. Okay, the first terms of the first conditions we need to follow is the NP and NQ should be more than 5. So I can take here first. 18 times multiply 1 over 4. 18 times multiply 3 over 4. So here is you will get 20, 20 okay, 16. Okay, and you can see the both is more than 5. Yeah, we need to using the approximations here. All right, so now we can start to find the values here. Okay, the mean. Okay, mean. We try to find the mean and p. So you can take 18 multiply 1 over 4 equals to 20. And then we can find the variance equals to NPQ equals to 18 multiply 1 over 4, 3 over 4 will be equals to 50. Okay, and then the question say x more than 25. Okay, so right now we need to change, okay, from the normal to standard normal variable. Okay, it's more than right. Okay, so you should be to write here p, okay, z more than 25 plus 0.5. Why I need to plus 0.5 here? Because we need doing the continuity corrections. Okay, so okay, let's see now. Okay, and then the mean is minus 20 square root 50. Okay, let's find the values. Z more than. Okay, so you will get 1.42. Okay, so we can sketch the graphs here. Okay, 1.42. Okay, more than. So you can take, sorry, so I use blue color. So you can take 1 minus, okay, 1.42 here. Okay, let's find what's the value for the 1.42. Okay, 1.42. Okay, so you can take 0.9207 will be equals to 0.0793. Okay. Sorry, I'm looking wrong. Actually, it's 0.922. So 0.922. Okay, actually, the answer is 0.078. Okay. Okay, now let's looking at the next question. Okay, question 6. The annual salary in the thousand of the dollars for 11 employees at each of two companies A and B are shown below. Okay, A, represent the data by drawing a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram with the company A on the left-hand side of the diagrams. Okay, so let's see how doing these questions. Okay, so I can draw here. Okay, let's see. Okay, you have 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay, if for company B, we see the first number first, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4. Okay, so the company A, you have see three numbers, right? 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if for company B is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's start. So you can draw the middle parts first. Okay, so you can take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you can draw a straight line here. Okay, this is for company A. This is for company B. Okay, let's start. Okay, we see the company A first. Okay, company 3. Okay, you have the 3 here, right? You see 13, 32, and 35. So you can write here 0, 2, 5. Okay. And then we now looking at the 4. Okay, you have 41, 41, 42, and 47, 49. So you can write here 1, 1, 2, 7, 9. Okay, just follow it. Okay, and then we see the 5. You have the 52 and 53, right? So you can write here 2 and 3 and 6, 4. Okay, and then now we try looking at the B. Okay, 2 only once, right? So you write here 26. And then now we try looking at the 3. Okay, 13. Okay, 13, 38, 35, 31. Okay, so you can write here 3. Okay, 0, 1, 5, 8. Okay, so now we try looking at the 4. Okay, the 4 first. Okay, we have 47, 41, 42, 49, 42. Okay, so you can write here 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 2, 2 again, and then 7, 9. Okay, and then we look at the 5. 5 only is one number here, right? So it's 2. Okay, 6, nothing. Okay, and the last, please don't forget to write the key. Okay, make sure to write the key here. Okay, you can write 2 stroke 5 stroke 2 means. Okay, means uh, Okay, right here. Okay, dollars. Dollars 52 thousands. Okay, for A. Never mind, I just take 3. It's more than easy. Is 53 thousands for the A. And uh, dollars 52 thousands for the B. Okay, so I hope you can get it, understands. Okay, so we already finished the A. So now we see the B. Okay, find the median and interquartile range of the salary of the employees in company A. Okay, so let's see how to find it out. Okay, because we have the 11th here, right? So we can see, okay, median. So we can take at, yeah, number 6. So the median, we'll try to look at 6. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 term. So you can take 42. Okay, dollars 42 thousands. Okay, now we try looking at a lower boundary, a lower quarter and upper quarter. It means Q1 and Q2 lah. Q1 and Q3. So you can take 1 over 4 multiply 11 2.75. So approximated is 3. So we look at the number 3. Okay. Okay, here. So this is your lower quarter. Okay. So is the Q1 equals to $35,000. Okay, now we see the upper quarter. Okay, Q3 equals to 3 over 4 multiply 11. So you will get 8.25. So we can consider yeah, we consider at number 9. So your Q3 equals to, okay, 52,000. Okay, so you can find the interquartile range equals to Q1 minus Q3. Okay, so you will get $17,000. Okay, let's look at the next question. A new employee joined the company B. The mean salary of the 12 employees is now 38,500. Okay. C. Find the salary of the new employees. Okay. So when you see this question, right, so you need to apply the mean formulas. Okay. Mean formulas. Let's try to think things out. Okay. Okay, this is your means, right? Equals to summation x over n. Okay, so you have the new salary of the new employees, right? So you can write here. Never mind, just opposite it lah. Okay, so 12 equals to 38,500, right? And then we can try look at the, okay, this is company B, right? B, okay. Oh, I think it will be more values here. Okay, wait a minute. Hmm. Okay, so we just take 26 plus 13 plus 13 plus 31 plus 35, 38, and then plus 41, 42. Okay, 41 plus 42 plus 42 plus. Okay, 47, 49 plus 49 plus 52. 52 plus n. Okay, multiply because it's a thousands, right? Okay, so 1000s here. Okay, so equals to 38500. So 1000 n. Okay, here is plus equals to, okay, 38500 multiply 12. So you will get 462 thousands. And then for the backs, 26 plus 13 plus 31 plus 35, 38 plus 41 plus 42 plus 42 plus 47 plus 49 plus 52. Multiply 1000. Okay. So you will get 433,000. Okay. So you can write 1000 n equals to, okay, so you will get equals to 29 thousands here. Okay. So n equals to 29. Okay, so we can write here the salary of the new employee is, okay, $29,000. Okay, and then now we look at the last question here. Find the number of the different possible arrangement of the 9 letters in the word crystal. Okay, so let's see. Okay, 9 letters, so we can take 9 factorial over, and then now see, okay, I write, okay, we try to analyze out. Okay, you see, got 2E, right? And then 2 L's. And then for other letters, C, S, T, I, A. Okay, so you see other, so you need to take 2 factorial multiply 2 factorial will be equals to, okay, 90,720. Okay, and then we try looking at the B. Find the number of the different arrangement of the 9 letters in the word crystals, in which the first letter is C and the fifth letter is T and the last letter is E. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last is E. Okay, so you have 6 space here, right? Okay, for this 6 space, you can use E, 2 L's, okay, S, T, I, A. Sorry, actually t is already used, so it's 5. Okay, so you can take 6 factorial over 2 factorial will be equals to 360. Okay. Now we try looking at the next question. Question C. Okay. Okay, question C. Find the property that randomly choose arrangement of the 9 letters in the word crystals does not have 2 E's together. Okay, when you see this keyword also seems again. So you can write here, okay, ES not together equals to total number minus 2 ES together. Okay, so total number, so you can take from here. Okay, 90,000. Okay, 720 minus. Okay, you see the E's together, right? So, okay, 1, 2, E together. So you have the another 7 letter here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? You have 8 letters, so you can take 8 factorial over 2 factorial. Why? Because we have 2L's here. These 2L we don't need to consider, we need to consider. But E don't need because they are already together. So actually you don't need take it out the 2 factorials. So you will get 9072 minus 8 factorial over 2 factorial. You will get equals to 17,560. Okay, so now you can try the probability. Find out the probability equals to total number. Okay, for the numerator, ES not together. Okay, we can try to simplify. Okay, 7 over 9 or 0.778. Okay, so this is your answers. Okay, now we try looking at the next question. Okay, 5 letters are selected at a random from the 9 letters in the word. Okay, crystals. Okay. Find the numbers of the different selections if the 5 letters includes, okay, at least one E and almost one L. Okay, so let's see. You have the 2. Okay, never mind, I copy again. Okay, copy from this letter. Okay, now let's see. You have 2E, 2L. Okay, CSTILTIA, right? Okay. So 5 letters. So, okay, we can consider 1E. Okay, 1L. Okay, 3 other letters. 2E. Okay, 1L here. Okay, so we can consider 2 cases here. Okay, and most 1 else. It means we can consider no else lah. So E for and then E. Okay, no else. Because you can see and most 1 L. So sometimes we can don't need to consider the else here. Okay. Let me do. Okay, so let's start right now. Okay, two E's, right? Okay, E and L. So you can take 5C3 equals to, and here is 5C2, and here is 5C4 equals to 5C3. Okay, so you can find out the answers. 5C3 equals to 10. Okay, 5C2 equals to also 10. 5C4 equals to 5. 5C3 equals to 10. Okay, so you can find out the totals here. Total equals to 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 equals to 35. Okay. Okay, now we try doing some practice for probability. If these questions ask you in probability. Okay, we try doing the practice. If this question asks you in probability. If the question is asked you is probability, you cannot do this way. Because now we're doing is a selections only, not probability. Okay. If the question is asked you probability, you need to do it this way. Okay, so now I show you the methods here. Okay, you need to know how to select to get the E's here. Okay, so I'm trying to sketch to you. Okay, so you need to show 2C1, this for E, 2C1 for L. Okay, multiply 5C3. Okay, okay, and then you take 2C2 multiply 2C1 multiply 5C2 equals to, okay, this for E, 2C1 multiply, okay, this time no for else, so we can take 5C4. Okay, 2 is here, 2C2 multiply 5C3 equals to, okay, equals to 14. Okay, equals to 20. Okay, 2C1 multiply 5C4 equals to 10. Okay, 2C2 multiply 5C3 equals to 10. Okay, if you need to find the probability, so you can take here. Okay, 9C5. Okay, take 14 plus 20 plus 10 plus 10 over. Okay, so you will get the answer is 14 over 63. Okay, you can try doing this practice in by yourself. Okay, because sometimes the question will be tricky you. Okay, the answer is for 35 only. Okay, you see I do the star here is for if this question, okay, we don't need to change any letters, but it's in ask you in probability. Okay, so I think uh your school teacher or in the exams, they can use the same question, but we just change the word probability. So I think this is a way you can doing the probabilities. Okay, so please be careful. I already discussed this part question on the previous video. Is May June paper 52. Okay, May 2020s. Okay, you can look at the here. I think it's at the question. Which one question? At the question 6. Okay, so you can looking at the previous video here. Okay, so we will discuss until here today. Okay, thank you watching for my this video. If you like my this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye everyone.